Part 50. Part 50 of Rock and Roll Animals. First couple of questions yesterday. Somebody said to me, were you playing through the little baby Line 6 15 watt practice amp? Yes, I was. Sounded great. I also, for a lot of these videos for ages, I had, I still have it, the 60 watt Line 6 Spider. Both of these amps, you can find them pretty cheap these days, and you know, the 60 watt one, you know, I play through it every day for the best part of 10 years. It's absolutely fantastic. Now the next question was, so yeah, it was a 15 watt Line 6. Next question was, have you tried the Boss Katana? This is a Katana. So, yeah, that's the Boss Katana. I really like it. You can also take it to a practice room, crank it up, and it sounds great. It's all different sounds. It does everything that I think you need it to do. So that was a question from yesterday. Another question from yesterday was somebody said to me, you know, the bear looked a bit under the weather. He was kind of slumped against you. Well, you know, he's back on full pop now, and this is a resilient bear. Because let me tell you, this bear has heard more bum notes in the last month than you could shake a stick at. So, part 50. And the final solo on Sweet Jane. That seems a long time ago now. And I said that guitar solo number 8 is one of my favourite. Yeah, that one. No. That one, right? So I didn't finish it off there. We're now in the last verse, and there starts to be fills, and it's like the guitar is just prodding its way into the whole thing, as well as playing obviously. It's starting to play fills. So this is where we get the, you know, the women never faint, villains never blink their eyes, children are the only ones blush, and life is just to die. Now that line, it's pretty stinging, but it's off a major scale. So your first note is A flat. Hasn't got much time to give it up. You haven't really got, you're not on that for a long time. Right? Lou's still singing, and two little chromatic lines, you know, off the pick it or, and then into Sweet Jane. This really benefits from it. And then the whole band seems to go now. And we move into the final solo. There are all those chucks, as I say, which I just clicked on the MXR phase 90 there. I think that really kind of, you know, helps that sort of chuck, like it does on rock and roll. And we move into the final solo on the song, which is going to end up like taking the band out of the song, right? Right. Right. And right at the end, I love this bit because the other part goes, you've got there's your A. But over that A, you hear and that's it. The world has changed. Sweet Jane, right? So in a minute, I'm going to just play guitar solo number 9, which will be the end. That's all the ending parts. That's the licks.